Ever wondered about the habits of a millionaire? You're in the right place.
In this video, we condense the wisdom of financial experts like Justin Drake and Vitalik Buterin.
They'll share powerful insights that could change your financial future.
And we'll explore how upcoming changes to Ethereum can impact investors.
Plus, learn about the best altcoins and investment strategies for 2024.
So stay tuned as we break down the latest trends in the financial world.
Just a quick note, this content is purely educational. It's not investment advice.
And hold tight. Up next, we'll delve into what DevCon 2024 means for Ethereum.
Ethereum's DevCon just wrapped up in Bangkok, and the energy was electric.
Indeed, the event unveiled some huge updates and bold predictions for Ethereum's future.
So what's the deal with all the hype?
Let's unpack the key takeaways and explore what this means for ETH holders.
At the heart of it, Vitalik emphasized how far Ethereum has come since its inception.
He argues that Ethereum isn't just about crypto, it's about creating an inclusive digital economy.
And that's where the potential beam chain comes into play, right?
What exactly makes this beam chain a game changer?
The beam chain aims to lower validator requirements, thus enhancing accessibility. Vitalik kicked off his speech with Ethereum's major milestones.
He highlighted the merge, marking a big leap towards sustainability.
What does that mean for potential growth?
Increased eco-friendliness could attract more developers and users.
Now, the beam chain aims to make staking more accessible.
So, lowering the requirement from 32 ETH to 1 ETH could open gates for many.
Exactly. This could mean faster validation and a thriving user base.
Let's not forget the Layer 2 solutions. Arbitrum made quite a splash.
Yes, their focus on cross-chain interoperability is a big step.
And how is Coinbase getting involved?
They announced plans for a tap-to-pay crypto solution.
The community vibe at DevCon was palpable.
Absolutely, events foster local engagement, especially in Southeast Asia.
Does this mean we'll see more global initiatives?
Definitely. DevCon makes Ethereum more approachable and relatable.
The overall sentiment from DevCon was bullish for Ethereum.
However, the reactions online have been mixed.
Is it fair to say there's a divergence in expectations?
Yes, some feel hopeful while others anticipate slower progress. The takeaway is clear: Ethereum's future looks promising.
But it's essential for investors to manage their expectations.
Right. The journey to price growth may take some patience.
Exactly. But informed investors can capitalize on these developments. Up next, we dive into strategies for making millions in the upcoming crypto bull run.
Brian Jung will share exclusive insights on 20x altcoin strategies.
Don't miss it. This could change your crypto game.
Brian Jung discusses his plan to make millions during the 2025 bull run. Are you ready for the upcoming altcoin season?
Absolutely. He emphasizes that understanding what's driving the current market is crucial for making informed investments.
But it sounds incredibly risky. How can beginner investors navigate this environment?
Great question. Brian lays out a roadmap for success while acknowledging the risks.
Brian believes the election of Trump will lead to favorable conditions for cryptocurrency investments. How so?
Trump's policies could encourage institutional investment and regulatory clarity.
And what other factors are contributing to Bitcoin's price surge?
Brian discusses the Bitcoin halving and its implications on supply.
What are the main catalysts for Bitcoin's recent performance?
The re-election of Trump has been pivotal. He's committed to a pro-crypto stance.
And big players like MicroStrategy have been loading up on Bitcoin too, right?
Absolutely. They hold over $4 billion worth of Bitcoin now. Brian emphasizes finding altcoins with potential. Those smaller than Bitcoin could yield high returns.
What criteria does he suggest for selecting altcoins?
Focus on market cap and emerging trends, like AI integration. How do you effectively exit once you've made gains?
Have clear indicators. When you hit 200% gains, it might be time to reassess your position.
Sounds like discipline will be key in this cycle.
What does Brian predict for altcoins in 2025?
He's confident we're on the brink of an altcoin boom, anticipating massive returns.
So we should be keeping a close eye on emerging narratives, right?
Key takeaways are to understand the market and have a solid exit strategy.
Agreed. Embracing the volatility while planning wisely can set you up for success.
This is one of the most exciting times to be in crypto.
Are you ready to dive into how AI is changing the game in crypto?
From predictive trading to AI-driven insights, it's the future.
You won't want to miss this deep dive.
A massive shift is underway in the crypto market, indicating it's time to pay attention.
Absolutely. The altcoin sector is showing double-digit gains today as Bitcoin dominance is finally breaking down.
But doesn't that signal more risk, especially if Bitcoin's not performing as expected?
Great point. Yet history shows that when Bitcoin dominance drops, altcoins often soar.
We're witnessing a classic breakdown pattern in Bitcoin dominance, which is a strong bullish signal for altcoins.
Exactly. The previous cycles suggest that money flows from Bitcoin to altcoins when dominance decreases.
So, how can viewers capitalize on this?
The key is to get positioned early in the altcoin sector before prices surge.
The market sentiment is shifting, and latecomers should be cautious.
Those who hesitate might miss out on potential profits as altcoins surge.
Are there specific altcoins to watch during this phase?
Investors should focus on coins with strong fundamentals and good traction.
Exactly. This is not just guesswork. You need solid analysis.
And it's critical to monitor market trends continually, right?
They predict Bitcoin could reach $125,000 soon, which would be significant.
And the altcoin sector could follow suit with similar gains.
That sounds exciting. Any warnings we should take heed of?
They emphasize that early positioning in altcoins could yield impressive returns.
As the market hits a bullish momentum, this is the time to act.
So securing investments now could be crucial.
The key takeaway is to act swiftly in this transformative time for altcoins.
Absolutely. The time to invest is now, before prices take off.
It's a thrilling moment for traders and investors alike.
Stay tuned as we delve into how Bitcoin could skyrocket from $100,000 to $1,000.
Mark Yusko will share his expert insights on this anticipated journey.
You won't want to miss this financial journey ahead.
Mark Yusko forecasts a monumental rise for Bitcoin, suggesting it soon will surpass 100K.
He dives into market conditions and his strategic altcoin picks, intriguing viewers.
Could this be the right time to enter the market, or are we heading for a crash?
Let's explore Yusko's comprehensive outlook and see where Bitcoin might be heading.
Yusko believes Bitcoin's rise is near certain due to increasing market momentum.
But is he concerned about the bear markets that typically follow?
Absolutely, and he emphasizes managing leverage to mitigate risk when volatility strikes.
What's driving this confidence in hitting 100K?
Yusko points to market sentiment and historical bullish cycles.
Yet, with high gains come higher risks, right?
Precisely, and Yusko warns about the impending bear market influenced by leverage. The market's always unpredictable. Those leveraged trades can backfire quickly.
So what should casual investors do amid this uncertainty?
They need to stay informed and perhaps consider rebalancing their portfolios.
If someone has Bitcoin and Ethereum, what else should they look at?
There's a few promising altcoins, and Yusko leans towards Solana for its growth potential.
But should investors be cautious with meme coins?
Meme coins can be volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose.
What about Yusko's long-term view on Bitcoin?
He believes that the combination of legislation and demand could lead to sharp price jumps.
Sounds like a recipe for significant FOMO.
Exactly. Fear of missing out can really move markets. The crux of Yusko's message: a balanced approach is essential.
With volatility and reactions to news, every investor should consider their risk tolerance.
Investing isn't just about high rewards, it's about managing what you already have.
Indeed. Now, let's look forward to the next exciting topic. Coming next is essential advice for newcomers to the crypto space from Lark Davis. You won't want to miss the valuable insights he brings. As Lark Davis points out, this video offers crucial advice for both new and seasoned investors in crypto. What's the core message he delivers?
He stresses the importance of maintaining balance in life while navigating the highs and lows of cryptocurrency markets.
That's refreshing. So, what's the first aspect he focuses on?
Health, both physical and mental health, are paramount throughout this journey.
Lark's thesis is straightforward. If you don't take care of yourself, you'll struggle to make clear decisions in trading.
Exactly. And he's seen the sacrifices firsthand. How does he suggest we keep health in check?
He emphasizes getting regular exercise and eating well, especially when gains start rolling in,
which leads to better focus and sharper decision-making.
Lark makes a vital point. Your physical health should be treated as critical to your financial portfolio.
Right, he remarks that many neglect their fitness while chasing profits.
What's the risk of ignoring this aspect?
Long hours in trading can lead to poor health, which ultimately affects trading outcomes.
Next up is mental health. What's Lark's advice?
He stresses the importance of sleep and mental breaks,
Why is this critical in crypto?
because emotional decisions can lead to poor trading choices.
Lark warns against taking on too much risk. What's his rationale?
He explains that high-risk investments can spiral into deeper stress.
And that could lead to emotional trading disasters, right?
Exactly. He encourages strategic risk management. Lark also emphasizes maintaining personal relationships. How does he articulate this?
He argues that neglecting loved ones in pursuit of wealth can lead to regret.
What's the takeaway here?
Investing isn't just about money, it's about a fulfilling life.
So as we look forward, what trends does Lark predict?
He anticipates a shift where quality of life begins to outweigh sheer financial gain.
That's intriguing. How might this impact investors?
Investors may increasingly seek wellness-focused investments, leading to new market opportunities. Ultimately, it's about leading a well-rounded life.
For sure, wealth without health or happiness isn't fulfilling.
What final takeaway should viewers remember?
Strive for balance. It's the key to sustainable success.
What a deep dive. Our financial experts sure laid it all out there.
Absolutely. Each guest brought such unique perspectives. Lark reminded us that mental well-being counts too.
Right? And Mark's prediction about Bitcoin really turned heads. 100,000 or even 1 million.
It's ambitious. I love how Rand pointed out the shift in Bitcoin's dominance. Definitely something to watch.
Plus, Brian's strategies for riding the bull run make so much sense. Everybody should be paying attention.
And let's not forget Guy's insights on Ethereum. Those developments could reshape the game.
It's fascinating how they all agree on the need for adaptability in this market.
Yet, the timelines for these changes, that's a hot topic with quite a bit of disagreement.
Indeed, but that's what makes this space so thrilling.
If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Your engagement helps us deliver more informative content just like this.
Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more on the ever-evolving world of finance.